If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing amazing out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this trend continuation trade I have going on the Nadex 5-minute binary options for the USD JPY pair here. As you can see, we got in on a sell position at an average price of just over $46 and profit potential per contract for this trade here. You will see me go ahead and place a limit buyback order at $20 per contract, locking in a $26 profit per contract, leading us to just around $80 in total profits in the short term. With that being said, I will go ahead and bring you guys back once this order triggers and we're taken out of the position, and then we can discuss things a little further on my mentality going into this trade. Just about 2 minutes left on this trade here. Here is where our take profit will go ahead and trigger. Boom, fantastic. So right there, that was a fantastic profit locked in the short term. Still 2 minutes remaining on this pair here. This position was specifically catered towards a trend continuation to the downside. You can see we've been in a downward trend on the 1 minute candles here leading into this strike. The momentum heading in here, we had multiple bearish engulfing candles on our way into this trade, as well as on my charting software on TradingView, there was plenty of strong bearish volume leading into this entry here. The overall bullish sentiment in this pair here was very weak upon entry, leading me to anticipate this trend continuation. Additionally, I do use a specific set of indicators when trading, which you can learn more about in the Informed Traders educational package down in the description below. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program for those who may be interested in getting in on the trading action with me 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we do trade the 2-hour contracts. If that sounds interesting to you, be sure to check out the resources in the description below. Just want to bring you guys in here and show you this fantastic entry we had going here on the USD JPY pair for this trade, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.